Available now. Spacious 2009 built 2,359 square foot home in Woodbridge Golf Community, Wylie ISD. Great condition, popular 1.5 story, features 3 BRS, 2 bath, study, LRG living room, upgraded kit down plus large game or media room, west full bath plus closet up, could be 4th bedroom or 2nd master kitchen, west granite, B-bar, stainless steel appliances, opens to large family room, west fireplace and custom built-in center, private primary suite, west dual sinks, separate tub and shower, large walk-in closet, nice backyard, west open patio. Enjoy 6 Comm pools, parks, walking-jog-bike trails, ponds. Easy access to highways, Firewheel Mall, restaurants.